Our hotel opened in the month of January 2020 and is the only branded 5-star hotel in the cultural capital of Kerala, Thrissur. Welcome to Hyatt Regency Thrissur. My name is Anuj Gopal, Director of Food and Beverage at this beautiful hotel. At our hotel, we have 69 rooms and 8 suites, including 1 presidential suite. Other features of the hotel includes a luxury spa, a well-equipped fitness center, and an outdoor swimming pool. In terms of dining, we have 2 beautiful restaurants, in-room dining, and large banqueting space. Regency Cafe, which is our primary restaurant, opens for 3-meal period, serving authentic Kerala food and multinational specialities. Nuga is a lobby lounge where a guest can have an intimate meeting or can have a gourmet grab and go. In order to achieve our goal of providing authentic food, we have a bunch of talented chefs headed by Chef Jijo, whose experience remains vital in delivering our brand promise.
Hello, I am Jijo Joy. I am the Executive Sous Chef here in Hyatt Regency Thrissur. Welcome to the world of Hyatt. We are into Hyatt, so we always design a menu. We have to go with people who is living around in the town itself, and even we are also expecting international travelers in this hotel.
Hyatt food philosophy is guided by the principle of sourcing local ingredients, traditional recipes, and creative offerings.
We are procuring all these ingredients from certified suppliers, and especially we always look for organic products, even especially organic vegetables. We used to procure when it comes really requirement.
We have sourced our ingredients from local market, local farmers who are growing fresh vegetables, delivering it as fresh as possible to our doorsteps.
Like I said, majority of our customers, the guests, they'll be from in and around Thrissur, and there are a lot of guests who's traveling via Thrissur. And so far, when it comes to cuisine, we sell North Indian because here when the crowd demands a lot of food, they just want to try something new. Because the Kerala cuisines, they have experience and they are trying it at home, so they want to try something different actually. So, like I said, we are selling more of North Indian, Mediterranean, or an Asian cuisine and Western. And today, I would be doing a couple of recipes for you. One is my breakfast egg selection, and the other one is one of my favorite, and even anyone and everyone of my guests, that is mushroom cappuccino, and one mocktail. So we would be doing this. Primarily, we'll start with this breakfast egg selection. So I'm doing one breakfast egg roll, which takes vegetables, that is onions. I mean, because here when it comes to Kerala, this region of Kerala, majority of my guests, like they always ask for eggs with a lot of vegetables and spiced. So today I'll be using chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, then chopped chilies, and I would be using cheese in the egg. That's all about it. So, and let's see. I always prefer to roll out my eggs. I just love it. So let's watch it. As we said, let's start with it. So what I'm going to do is this is a breakfast egg roll. So for this, I would be using a couple of ingredients. So the main ingredients, as we all know, it's all about egg, and then we have mushrooms, like we have chopped onions, chopped tomato, chopped chilies, chopped coriander, and then I'm using some green capsicum. Along with that, I'm using some cherry tomatoes, in which I can give a side to it, and some steamed vegetables and some chicken sausages that goes well with it. So that's all about the ingredients. So let's go. So next I'll keep the sausage in it, chicken sausage. So olive oil. Now let's put the choppings. So it's chopped onions, chopped tomato, chopped coriander, and some fine chopped mushrooms to it. Meanwhile, let's break the egg. So for this, I'm using 3 eggs to it. So soup. When it comes to French classical cuisine, without soup, it's an incomplete meal. So actually, soup that will make you ready to go ahead towards your complete meal. So it's always advisable, to start your meal with a healthy soup. So today here, when it comes to my Regency Cafe here in Hyatt Regency Thrissur, we are offering one soup called mushroom cappuccino, and it's really popular. So I am going to show you how to do this mushroom cappuccino today for you.
So, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice.
we always expect a lot of guests from in and around Thrissur. Obviously, yes, we are also expecting international travelers. So we have designed our menu in such a way so this can directly match to any of our guests, like who is coming in and around from Thrissur. Otherwise, let's say people are traveling from North India, from north part of India. Otherwise, people traveling from Middle East, or people who travel from around the world, wherever. So we have expert chefs in my Western cuisine, in my Asian cuisine, because we have expert chefs in North Indian cuisine, and we have a in-house halwai chef, like who is doing an excellent North Indian sweets. So that's all about it. So my menu has been combined to please any customers, like who is from Kerala or from north part of India, from Middle East or from around the world.